air element inspired makeup, and we are going to be inspired by a tornado. At first I was debating on creating a fake 2x4 and putting it through my head, and that would look super cool. However, if a tornado hit and I was in my room, I would be hit by makeup. So we're gonna put makeup in my face today. Not on my face, in it. Here's where we're at so far. So for the next one, I really want to do this foundation bottle like sticking out of my eye, and then I want to have like, I think I have a little bit of foundation left, so I want to make it like drip down my face. And then I want to do at least 3 objects in my face and try to figure out how I can like get this brush to like stick out of my face that isn't kind of going in the same direction or motion as the other ones. I don't know. But we'll start with this one, and then maybe I'll get an idea for this. It's time to tape my eye. I don't know why I like doing this so much. I know I'm weird. I'm so weird. And you guys love it. We gotta protect the eye because we're being hit in the face with a foundation bottle. Hoping that scissors just cut right through this because I don't have any crazy tools. I need to kind of cut it at an angle. I suppose I could take the lid off. This might get messy. Stand back, y'all. It's gonna get messy. But I figured I should probably record this because it might be satisfactory. Oh. I'm sorry, Urban Decay. I love you. Okay. Something like that. And then I'll just kind of cut the backside just a touch so I think it'll like stay at an angle. The bottle has made it into my eye. And now my vision is lacking. I still haven't figured out what I want to do with this brush situation. The brush is in the face, and I think this is good as it's going to get for this. So the next part is I'm just going to take a little bit of liquid latex around each of the edges of the products where they meet my face. Let that dry a little bit, and I'm going to take some Ben 9 nose and scar wax, and I'm just going to lay a little layer around it so it looks like it's penetrating through my skin. I already laid down my wax, and then I covered it with liquid latex, and then laid some shadows just on top of it just to give it a little color. I really want to add like a lot of blood to it, so I don't really care. I added some foundation right to the end of this so that I could squirt this out, and I don't know, I'm weird, but I just was like, this would be maybe satisfying. If it would work, that'd be cool, and if not, then whatever. No, it can't squeeze out. Fine. It's just squeezing out the top. It was worth the try. We have our finished result. What do you guys think? Why do I like to glue things in my face? I don't know, but I like to be weird. Actually, okay, we're not done yet because my hair needs to be crazy. I can't be in a tornado. My hair's not wild. Restart. Restart. We're gonna whip out the hairspray, and my mullet is gonna mullet. It's gonna do its thing, and it should be pretty perfect. Tornado hair or sex hair, you decide. Now we have the finished look. What do you guys think of the look? I give it like a 6.5 out of 10. Super fun. I love to glue things in my face. I'm weird. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video and whatever that is to come. Mwah.